like a lot of you, my Sentro counter has broken. Unfortunately, mine broke on my first hat project at row 59. Since then it hasn't worked. Well, not going frontwards anyway. If I reverse the thing, it seems to count backwards fine. So what I've thought to do this morning is to strip it down and have a look and find out what's going on. My curiosity is getting the best of me. Thanks to Sayers Designs, I think that's how you say her name, apologies if it's wrong, because she's done a video on stripping hers down to clean it, which gave me an idea of having a go myself. I don't think I need to go as far as she did cleaning hers, as I've only done about 3 hats on mine. But anyway, here we go. Okay, so wish me luck, here we go. No idea what I'm doing. So here we go, turn the thing over first. I think it's all these screws down here. Oh, starting off, I've got the wrong size screwdriver, awesome. Out with the 21. They're tough. Okay. Ah, so it's gears and a little cog. I don't know if you can see, it seems to be a little cog there. To be honest, I can't see anything. I don't know if you, hope you can see that there. See the little cog there? And that's all it is that's turning the gears, is that. Doesn't look to be particularly worn. Yeah, I know I'm prodding my fingers where I probably shouldn't. And all that happens by the looks of it, hope you can see, is that that little cog is run by this little wheel here. Why isn't it working? That little thing there, that there, goes around and catches the underneath of the cog. And the little cog is there. So a little investigation and I'll be back. Okay, so on closer inspection I can't find anything untoward, so I'm taking the cover off here. I'll tell you what, if I put these in, the muscles of Garth. But I'm Garth's match because I can undo them. Okay, let's see what's going on. Right, so that's that little cover off there. Right, if you can see, it's this very simple little clockworky mechanism, really. Is it? Hopefully it's in focus, I can't really tell. Okay, so I've struggled with these a bit and I managed to get them loose. So rather than film all of that nonsense, I'll probably fast forward through a bit of this anyway. There appears to be something not right in this. Rather, excuse my dog barking, we've got 7 rescue dogs. They are rather verbal on times. No different to kids, I suppose. Right, this is either going to go pear-shaped. Up. And use my other arc coming in. Right, so we got the little neck out. Okay, so this is the inside of the mechanism. That's the little counter mechanism. I've tested it. Seems to be working fine. When you manually crank it, I won't do it now because the gears move. I'm afraid they're going to fall out. And that's the other side of it. And that's the pattern of the gears if you ever take yours apart, because I took mine apart and forgot how they went back together for a minute. My husband helped there, so thanks, Nige. And so the next step now is to grease them, and I'm sorry guys, I don't have any lithium grease, so I'm going to be relying on a little dab of the good old-fashioned Vaseline for that, okay? So I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, but it was worth a try. It only cost me a half an hour in time and a bit of stress. Okay? Reassembly next then. Okay, so here we have, I hope you can see, all back together. Now I don't really, so I'm going to pop it on its side and hopefully the thing will sandwich together without falling apart. No pressure, Kaz, no pressure. So excuse my fat fingies. Steady hand, or not. There we are, one gear's popped already. I think this is what might be happening in production, you know, is that they just pop out because they don't click, if you know what I mean, when you pop them in the little groovies. They're just there. And I got a funny feeling them just moving around in there without anything to bed them in, so it might be a case of just dropping this one on top and hoping for the best. Crikey. That shows it right, surely. Yeah, it is. I was expecting it to go together in a different shape. Good God, no wonder it moves. Sandwich it together. Don't know if you can see if we got anything going on here. See, I can feel a little thing moves, kicks it forward, but forward it's still no. Indeed, something's not right in there. Okay, so I've had a little bit of luck. It seems that where this cog meets the cog here and then goes into here, which runs that, gets a little jam there. There's not an awful lot of support for that cog. Anyway, I've done my best. I put it back together, and with any luck, we can count forward. So how long this is going to last on the actual machine, heavens knows. But I've had a go. I've settled my my mind to finding out how this little thing worked, and I'm going to fit it back on the machine now. So wish me luck. Okay, so here we go, fitting it back in, hopefully without breaking anything. Twiddly widdly. And I haven't got the smallest, daintiest fingers in the world, that's for sure. Okay, she's docked. Hallelujah. My elation may be very short-lived, guys, so... Hey, no screws fell out. Awesome. Okay, moment of truth. Now this is 100% straight off. I have not practiced this before. Not sure whether you can. Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to work. I've not tried it. This is straight after reassembly. I have to reposition the camera in order to show you, so fingers crossed everyone, okay? Wish me luck. If it doesn't work, I'm going to be absolutely gutted. But there we are. Nothing gained, nothing lost. It still works, which is a benefit for me taking something apart. Oh my goodness me, it went up one! Yay! Oh my word, I'm ecstatic. The simple things that make you happy. Wow, we're on number 2. Now we're going to go to number 3. Oh my word! Happy days! Well, there you go, guys. If you want to give it a go, by all means give it a go. Chances are it might go again and I'll end up fitting one of the electronic ones that a few of you excellent knitters have done already. But I'm so glad because that horrible grinding noise has gone on passing the white needle, which has been great. It's counting up. I am so happy. Probably short-lived, guys, but hey, little things, I'm happy. Anyway, I'm not recommending you do what I did, of course, but if you want to give it a go, I just dove in there, or dived in there? Dove is American, yeah, and we say dived over here, or dived in there. Strange old word, isn't it? Anyway, I just went straight in there and gave it a go, and it seems like I have a counter back, at least for the short term. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. I hope this video helps you a little bit. I can't see any other video in there showing anything to do with counter mechanism apart from replacing it. So yeah, there we go. Almost and upwards. Ta-da! Hwyl fawr! Okay, so I've restarted it at 0 because I wanted to make sure it wasn't a fluke. Excuse my boiler coming on in the background. And here we are. I'm gonna turn it for another few rounds. Hope for the best that we get things counting up. Sorry, I'm hand holding, so the video's a little shaky. But it seems that the gears in there, in that little white box underneath, they're not secured very well, and it just seemed to have jumped out a bit. But it's just so nice to have the machine back, going round and round like it originally did for its first 59 rows, without going when it went past the white needle. So here we go. We're counting up. We're on 4. Hallelujah. And we're going up 5. Awesomeness. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Oh, and by the way, I might be doing a video soon of the AliExpress 22 needle versus the super cheap eBay purchase at £15, 39 pence, I think, both 22 needle machines. I'm a complete beginner when it comes to knitting and these circular knitting machines, but I'm hooked. Excuse the pun. So yeah, look out for that. Hopefully I'll be doing that shortly, okay? Bye then! So this was the first project I ever made on my Sentro knitting machine, and this is the one where it failed on row 59. And so I used the yarn that came with the machine, didn't use anything overly strenuous. I started inside with the dark pink that came, and then the pale pink, as you see, and then the cream, which I think knitted up really, really nice. Like I said, I'm a complete novice knitter, so you know, to my eye, that's great. And then there was a very small ball of grey which I mixed with a very last bit of pinky pink to make a little bobble for the top. So bobble hat to me, or beanie, or whatever, and I wear it. I'm happy. So hopefully with my new counter fixed now, she says, I can make some more.